Internet users believe they've solved the mystery behind the viral Dobby the house elf video that was taken on home security footage. So, was it a Dobby? Was it an alien? Was it a puppet? Or was it a potato? Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and spill the tea in Dobby the elf. I'm Charlotte Doray. Why don't you hit that sub button for the spiciest news updates on YouTube, and tell me down below in those comments what Hogwarts house you belong to. I will tell you what house I belong to, but you gotta stick around until the end of the video to find out how to increase watch time on InformOverload. Okay guys, so I'm sure by now you've either seen this Dobby video or heard about it online. We did a video about it a couple of days ago. It was captured on home security footage by a woman named Vivian Gomez. The footage shows a skinny figure strutting down a suburban driveway, and at one point the figure does the chicken dance kind of thing. Not that I needed to demonstrate, but I bet you're happy about it. Vivian Gomez claims that the footage was not doctored or photoshopped in any way. I was kind of wondering why the clip was so short. It's only 10 seconds, but according to Vivian Gomez, the camera only goes for 10 seconds, so it cut off after that. That might be because the camera has some kind of motion sensor that only captures footage for 10 seconds at a time. So when we first covered the story at the time, the story was just breaking, so no one really knew what the creature could have been. But there were some guesses, aside from the obvious answer, Dobby. Some people thought it could be an alien. That, I don't know, as much as I love aliens, yeah, I doubt Gomez had an alien in her house. I actually guessed that it might have been a puppet, but honestly looking at the footage again, it does kind of look like it could be a kid. And guess what? Vivian Gomez has a 9-year-old son named Bobby. Oh, Bobby. I know some of you noticed the second shadow in that video. The second shadow in the footage looks like the door opening, and even Vivian Gomez agrees it does look like her door opening. But she told Inside Edition that she still doesn't know what the creature is. Vivian Gomez does not believe that it could have been her son because she said she would never let her 9-year-old son outside by himself. But I mean, that doesn't mean that her son couldn't have snuck away at some point and did a little chicken dance on the driveway with underwear on his head. Seems like something a 9-year-old would do. Hell, I'm in my late 20s and I dance around with underwear on my head on a weekly basis. In her interview with Inside Edition, Gomez said that her son Bobby loves to dance. And he loves to joke around. Interesting, very interesting. So basically the internet is convinced that Dobby is just a skinny kid doing the chicken dance wearing underwear on his head. Again, Gomez doesn't think that this thing could have been her son. She thinks whoever or whatever it was ran off into the street. What do you guys think? Was Dobby actually Gomez's son? Let me know down there in the comments. I will now reveal what Hogwarts house I belong to. Drumroll please. Slytherin! I know, right? Are you surprised? So if you don't believe me, Azzy, Rebecca, and I did our sorting on camera on Rebecca's channel about 1.5 years ago. But honestly, I feel like I like being a Slytherin. I think it suits me. Tell me your Hogwarts houses down below, and by the way, if you don't know what your Hogwarts house is, you can find out by going to the Pottermore website. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features from our last Dobby the House Elf video. Just Chill for Life said, is the Dobby ghost? Why didn't I think of that? It's Isaac said, LOL, these news videos you guys do baffle me and are so weird and hilarious. Oh, thank you. Hear that? He says I'm hilarious. Armani said, I want to hug Dobby. Same. He looks pretty huggable, doesn't he? Nikki Nav said, imagine just casually seeing Dobby on your cameras. I think I'd be scared, to be honest. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out this playlist over here. And obviously, if you like this video, you should leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.